and welcome to Adam and Jen on the Move. I thought I would share with you one of our favorite go-to chicken recipes. We got it offline from a YouTube platform called, there's my oil just melting, a YouTube platform called Nom Nom Paleo. When we were paleo, we used to make this dish all the time, and now we make it anyway, even though we're not fully paleo, just because it is absolutely delicious and very simple. So, my ingredients: honey, fish sauce, tamari, which is the same as soy sauce, sesame oil, any kind of vinegar. White vinegar is fine, but we're using apple cider. You need coconut oil and powdered ginger, not fresh. A lot of shallots, 3 garlic cloves. I always add an extra for fun. And however much chicken you like, whether it's bone in, bone out, skinless, skin on, doesn't matter. Could be drumsticks. About that much chicken. This sauce makes enough for all of that chicken easily. So sit back and enjoy this amazing recipe. It's called Asian chicken and it's to die for. The smell of it is amazing and it will have you licking the pan. Okay, so to start off, we need 6 whole spring onions. Just take the little roots off because you can do amazing things with these, as we've done in our garden. Put these in water in your kitchen for a day or 2. As soon as you start to see some little growth here, go and plant them in the garden and you will get that whole shallot all over again. Amazing. So just roughly chop, because all of this is going in the blender. Watch your fingers. This is going to give it that amazing green color. So nothing really needs to be chopped all that carefully because it's all going to be blitzed. So that's what also makes this such a nice, easy recipe. Bang out your garlic, peel it. So just roughly chop your garlic. As I say, it's going in the blender, so it doesn't matter too much. That'll do. Bang into there. Lovely. And then we start adding our ingredients. So, 3 tablespoons of melted, not necessarily hot, but just melted, pourable coconut oil. Half a teaspoon of ginger. I always err on the side of over whatever I am told to do because I'm that kind of girl. So that's my version of half.
Why are you using powdered ginger, not pure real ginger?
She's very specific in the recipe. She says definitely use the powdered. It has the flavor that you're after here and not the pungency of the fresh ginger. You don't want it overtaking, I guess, the other flavors of the garlic and the shallots. I don't know why. All I know is it just works and it's beautiful. Some things, most recipes that I try, I usually tweak and change and do my own thing on. This one, no, it's too good. Checking my recipe, check twice. Cut once. 3 tablespoons. 1, 2. Just for those who can't count. That one's the old mate. He's not a great counter. And then we have our tamari or soy sauce, same sort of thing, and that is 2, as long as it's a light style soy. 1, 2. That's for the Spanish amongst us. Sesame oil, half a tea. Again, always go a little bit over what it says. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. It's a glorious sound. Slippy sippy slaps that. And honey to balance out all of those flavors. Now with the honey, you want 2 tablespoons. Now I haven't used this yet. Oh baby, she's solid. There's 1. Dillon Bay honey from Dillon Bay in Bremer Bay. And that's 2. Hot tip, if you're trying to get the honey out of the spoon, use the oil measurement first, makes this all slippery, and look at that, no honey left in there. Boom, hot tip. Okay, checking. We've got our shallots, got our garlic, gingers in, vinegars in, oil, honey, tamari, fish sauce, sesame. We need a little bit of salt. Just a bit of one of those. While I'm at it, I've got my chicken down here. Always salt your chicken, regardless of the recipe. Always. Bit of pepper. And why not pop that on some chicken as well? All your meat should be seasoned. Season the meat. Don't season the flour or everything else. Always season your meat. Okay, it's time to turn this bad boy on. Block your ears, it's really loud. Now this colour may scare some of you, but this beautiful green from the shallots, look at that. It has the most incredible flavour. So what we're going to do now to make it nice and easy is just get all of that chicken and pop it in a zippy bag, a nice big zippy bag, pour that over the top, let it marinate for at least an hour if you can. We want this to be a simple and easy, fuss-free Sunday night recipe because all you want to do is pour yourself a glass of wine and watch the football. Let's face it. Okay, let's get all of that chicken. It's had its salt and peppery goodness. Don't put in that thing. Okay, this is where the magic happens. Sit it up right, nice big bag, pour the goodness in. About to head out, just a good idea to give your chicken a little bit of a squish and a mix up. Give it a bit of a squish and a bit of a mix up so we make sure that all pieces of chicken are getting covered. Right, back in you go, my little darling. All right, it's off to celebrate Johnny Boy's birthday, so we're going out for dinner, and when we get back, I'll put that chicken in the oven and that will make for a delicious dinner ready for tomorrow workday. Well, welcome back. It is now the next day. After going out with John to celebrate his birthday, we had a few too many sangrias and some yummy tapas, so we chose to actually leave the Asian chicken to marinate for a whole night and the whole day. So it is now the next night. We're looking at 6 p.m. This will take about half an hour depending on your oven. I never like to give oven times because every oven is different, and in fact I can't actually work this one out yet because it doesn't have any numbers on it. Anyway, so what we're going to do now, our beautiful bag of chicken has now been marinating for over 24 hours. Now you can actually marinate this for 2 days maximum. Don't take it any longer than that. You won't know really how your chicken, you know, the quality of your chicken, if it's aged or whatever, because all you're going to smell is this loveliness. And 2 days is plenty. So super easy. We want all the sauce, we want everything in, so we're getting our fabulous tray. So poor old Adam doesn't have to wash up, and you just tip it in. Make sure that you get all of the beautiful juices. So I just try and squeeze it together a little bit and just run it down because this is so tasty. Yeah, baby. Okay, lovely. I've got some cauliflower and carrot on the boil. Gonna add some peas to that shortly. So we're going to have a nice healthy meal. No rice or starches. I think that wants the lid off. And look at this glorious, creamy, greeny goodness. So just space out your chicken pieces. And I'm gonna pop this in the oven for, yeah, I'm gonna check it, I think, after 20 minutes, just to be sure. The sauce, the flavor of this, it's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. 20 minutes, the magic will happen, and we will have beautiful Asian chicken with some yummy veg, and that is a perfect meal, and it's good for you too. Okay, that's been 20 minutes, and the smell is insane. This is one of the best smells, honestly, of that oven cooking something, anything. I got water in the bottom of my throat.
That smells amazing.
And this is how it looks. Cooked, bubbly, caramelizing goodness.
Boy, got a little bit of caramelization
Oh my
on the top
God,
there.
that
It's
is
good.
perfect. So I'm just going to temperature probe it. You know, because it's chicken and you just never really know. So I'm gonna just probe a couple of pieces. So it doesn't need much longer. I think just to be safe, because it is chicken, we're going to give it a little bit longer. So no more than 5 minutes, and even turn the oven off and just let it sit in there for a little bit as well. It will continue cooking.
Do you give it a stir or do you just leave it as it is?
I don't. I mean, you can do it. There's no rules to this. Just freelance and do whatever comes across you. But for me, I like to get these burny pieces, and if I flip it, I'm going to lose those, and there won't be enough time in the oven to get any more. So let's just let those continue so we get a beautiful caramelization on this. And look at the gooey green that is underneath. Honestly, this dish, this smell, this aroma, amazing. So back in we go, just for 5 minutes, and that's it, it's ready. A little bit longer, baby, just to be safe. Mwah! So it's dishing time. I like to warm up my plates too, just a little bit. So 1 minute in the microwave, it just means that they're not frosty cold, because it's a cold winter's evening tonight. So as I say, we're just gonna have this with some yummy, fresh, blanched, however you like to say it, veggies. Adam loves his veggies. Oh my God, he can't get enough of them. Oh my goodness! Look at it.
Smells amazing again, isn't it?
It is seriously the most amazing smell. I know it looks weird, hey? Like, it looks weird. It's green chicken. How easy is this dinner? Seriously. The blender does all the work, a little bit of choppy at the beginning, and then the oven does the rest of the work. And we just get to sit back and enjoy it.
And the beauty, we get leftovers for lunch.
Oh, so many leftovers.
Oh, that looks good.
It smells so good.
That smell is insane.
Oh my God, it's so good. So, that is Adam and Jen's Asian chicken, healthy style, on a winter's evening. Obviously accompanied with a gorgeous Sauvignon Blanc. Cheers everyone, get busy living.